National Weather Service has issued a tsunami warning for the coastal areas of Alaska, from Kennedy Entrance, which is 40 miles southwest of Homer, to Unimak Pass, which is located 80 miles northeast of Unalaska. If you are in this coastal area, move inland to higher ground. Tsunami warnings mean that a tsunami with significant inundation is possible or is already occurring. Tsunamis are a series of waves dangerous many hours after initial arrival time, and the first wave may not be the largest. At 12:38 p.m. Alaskan Daylight Time, on July 16th, an earthquake with a preliminary magnitude of 7.2 occurred 50 miles south of Sandpoint, Alaska. Estimated tsunami start times for the selected locations: Sandpoint, Alaska, 1:16 p.m., Coal Bay, Alaska, 2:36 p.m., and Kodiak, Alaska, 2:41 p.m. The tsunami warning will remain in effect until further notice. Refer to internet site tsunami.gov for more information.